WiseGPT is a GenAI-based dev tool that generates personalized production-ready code without needing any prompts. And by personalized, I mean that we follow exactly your way of coding and also the variables, components, and architecture that you've created in your project file. So let's dive deep into the code. Before we start, let me show you that in this project where I'll be performing API integration, the login API has already been implemented by me. Now using WiseGPT, what we'll try is to implement the sign up API inside the sign up section exactly in the same way we have already implemented login API, right? So I'm going to go ahead and start. I'll click on API integration. Now it is asking me the permission to access this project's code. Now the reason we ask for permission is to access your project's code base, the current project's code base, is to understand your coding preferences, nomenclature, project structure, and how you've integrated API if it already exists in your project. Like in this case, login API already exists, so we are going to try and follow the same pattern while generating the code for sign up. Important thing to note is that we don't read any of your private API keys, credentials, or access keys. So I'm going to go ahead and click on allow. Now the code analysis is in progress. So while this is happening, let me explain the 3 prerequisites to using this feature. So first is that we need to have the UI screen open and selected where we want to perform API integration. So I'm going to go ahead and select the sign up screen here. Second is that you need curl and postman collections ready. And third is that the postman collection must have request and response. Now this is to make sure that you get maximum benefit out of the plugin, because if both request and response are available, then it is possible to perform data binding. So yeah, now let's start integrating API. It is asking me to select the API for integration. So over here it is already showing that I have selected a postman collection, but I'm going to go ahead and reselect it and add it from my system to show you. So once you open this postman collection here, you will be able to see the list of APIs that were in the postman collection. And since we are performing sign up, so I'm going to go ahead and click on sign up and proceed. Now the code generation is in progress. So I hope this explains why we say promptless, because we just took a couple of inputs from you and we'll be generating the code using those inputs only. Now as soon as the code generation is complete, on the left you will see all the files with suggested changes. At times we even generate complete new files of code for you to add to your project. So here I can review and add all of these pieces of code to my file. I'm going to go ahead and apply. And done. The API integration process is complete. We hope you liked it. Thank you.